I've been using the 70mai A500S dash camera for a long time on two different continents, driving the car on the right and on the left side of the road, and this dash cam has been reliable all the time. In fact, this is the world's best-selling dual-channel dash camera. Over 500,000 drivers globally trust its excellent value every year. Usually, the prices start at $119 and $99 US at the official store, but this holiday season you can get it at a discounted price, so you can save even more on an already excellent value dash camera. Check out the video description for all the links and other information. Before we begin, let's do a quick unboxing. I have the set with the hardware kit. In the retail box, you get everything you need to get started, including all the cables, instruction manuals, window stickers, cradles, and mounts. The A500S, which also comes under the name of Pro Plus, is made of high-quality polycarbonate. The device is really solid and the overall build quality is excellent. It feels that the camera is made to last, and well, it has lasted very well. The device still looks new after months of usage. The A500S has a Sony IMX335 5MP camera module that can be rotated in each direction, so you can easily adjust the angle when the dash camera is mounted on the window. The camera has a bright aperture of f1.8, it has a viewing angle of 140 degrees, and it can record videos of 1944p resolution, which is 2.5 times higher than 1080p. The rear camera captures footage in 1080p resolution. Both cameras combined cover up to 270 degrees field of view, eliminating common blind spots which are crucial for providing evidence of rear-end collisions. The A500S records video with the main and the back cameras simultaneously. The video quality using the main camera is very good. The footage is sharp and detailed, and you can clearly see the road signs, license plate numbers, and other details when you play it back on your phone or your laptop. Thanks to the built-in very accurate GPS unit, you can also see the exact time and date and GPS data, which is very useful for accident reports or insurance claims. A 2-inch IPS display shows front or rear view in real time, and the view can be changed with a click of a button. I also found the rear camera to be useful when parking the car. Night video quality is quite impressive thanks to the 3D dynamic noise reduction and wide dynamic range technology that are part of 70mai's proprietary night owl vision tech. Compared to other dashcams, I can see significantly reduced noise and increased clarity, which are key to good quality video in poor lighting conditions. The footage that comes out from the back camera may not be as sharp as the one captured with the main unit, but it's still very good. 1080p is sufficient to capture essential details, and I can clearly see the license plate numbers, road signs, and other details. Overall, the video quality is one of the best I've seen in this price range of dash cameras. I have used this dual-channel dashcam setup on sunny, cloudy, and rainy days, and every time I checked the recorded footage, I could clearly see the details I needed, and I liked the overall quality. I like that you can easily access the micro SD card slot, which is next to the DC in and AV in ports. We have 4 control buttons below the screen and another key that turns on or off the display or shuts down the dash camera if you press and hold it. I found the user interface to be very simple and intuitive, and you can easily navigate using the keys. You can switch from the front to the back camera live preview, start emergency video recording manually, or view the recorded footage right on the screen. You can play any clip captured with the main or the back camera, which is very useful. In the video settings menu, you can adjust the sensitivity of the emergency video, turn on or off parking surveillance, adjust recording duration, change the compression ratio, video resolution, refresh rate, turn on or off WDR, and so on. In the system settings menu, you can turn on or off the Wi-Fi, audio recording, or adjust the settings of ADAS, which is Advanced Driver's Assistance System, and adjust other system settings. The ADAS system detects your surroundings and uses voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. For instance, it will give you a warning if you leave your lane or recognize the vehicles in front of you, calculating their speed and space to prevent forward collisions. I found the 70mai app to be intuitive and easy to use. First, you can see a live preview of what the camera is recording. Second, you can view and download the recorded footage right on your phone. Well, you can do the same thing right on the camera, which is fine, but the phone's larger screen will give you more detail. The footage is downloaded to your device pretty fast and the video playback is smooth. The app also allows you to adjust pretty much the same settings, but it is a faster way of doing this compared to clicking the buttons on the dash cam itself. Besides, you can control the camera wirelessly even when you're not inside the car. Other key features of the A500S include a 24-hour parking surveillance which works with the hardware kit. There is also time-lapse and loop recording. All in all, the 70mai A500S car dash camera has left a strong impression on me. It boasts impressive video quality, easy installation, user-friendly operation, and a wealth of features. Having employed this camera system for several months, I must say that I haven't identified any drawbacks so far. It has proven to be dependable and seamlessly operating once the car ignition is initiated. As a result, I confidently recommend the 70mai A500S as an excellent and feature-rich car dash camera, especially considering its price point. Well, this is my personal go-to dash camera for a reason. You can get this dash camera at a generous discount this holiday season. If you're interested, check out the video description for all the links and the best deals. What do you think about this car dash camera? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.